Equation of uniformly accelerated motion by calculus method. This is the third method by which we can derive the equations of motion. That is three equation: v is equal to u plus at, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third is at square. Third is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now to begin with, calculus method means here we will use the formula of derivations. Till now in my videos I have not used the derivatives of and how to calculate derivatives. Basically we use two formulas to find out derivative: d by dt of any variable, suppose here x, d by dx. Okay, there is a formula x to power n. This formula we are going to use here. The derivation of this is formula will be n x to power n minus 1, right? And if we are having value d by dx of suppose ax, where a is constant and x is variable. Keep in mind, whatever is written here, it shows that the function which is having this quantity will be a variable, and since a is not a function of x, so that is constant, but x is a function of x, so this is a variable. In that case, the constant is taken out and we get the formula d by dx of x. If we use this formula x to power n, so that would be a 1 x to power 1 minus 1, so a x to power 0 or a. So it means when we are having quantities like this, d by dx of ax, the derivation will be a only, right? Means that constant value only. Right now we are going to use only these formulas, so we will focus over these. So first we know that acceleration is given by dv by dt, right? Now in this case we can write dv is equal to a dt. dv is equal to a dt. Now integrating both sides. When there is no such d by dt variable like at the denominator, it means we are derivating it with respect to itself. Means here variable is v, which is varying from u to v. Here variable is t, which is varying from 0 to time t, because at 0 time initial velocity is u, at time t final velocity was v. So in this case this is the constant 1, right? And 1 can be written as v to power 0, right? So in this case